Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we'll be solving another very interesting question from algebra for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our answer cannot be equal to 12. Our answer cannot be equal to 13. Denominators cannot be 0. Now we have coefficient of x 2 here and 2 here. But in the denominator part, we have coefficient of x 1. To maintain the same coefficient as per in the numerator, we need to multiply our equation by 1 over 4. Or I can write 1 over 2 square. So let's multiply LHS with 1 over 4 and multiply RHS with 1 over 4. So 8 over 4 will be 2. We will write our equation 1 over 2 square times 2x minus 25 over x minus 12 whole square plus 1 over 2 square times 2x minus 25 over x minus 13 whole square equal to 2. Now we can multiply our bases as our exponents are same. So we will write 2x minus 25 over 2 times x minus 12, which will give us 2x minus 2 times 12 is 24. Then we'll put whole square plus. Here we'll multiply x minus 13 with 2. So in the numerator 2x minus 25 and in the denominator we will write 2x minus 2 times 13, 26. Then we have whole square equal to 2. Now we can use substitution. So let us assume 2x minus 25. Suppose this is equal to u. So we can write 2x minus 24 will be u plus 1 and 2x minus 26 will be u minus 1. So we can write our equation in variable u over u plus 1 whole square plus u over u minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we have one algebraic formula over here which we are going to use. Let me write equation once, u over u plus 1 whole square plus u over u minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now formula is m square plus n square can be written in perfect square form m plus n whole square minus twice of mn. M square plus n square plus 2mn minus 2mn. So it will remain the same m square plus n square. Now let us say this is our m, u over u minus 1 is n. So we will add here u over u plus 1 plus u over u minus 1. Then we'll put whole square. This is m plus n whole square minus 2 times mn, which is u over u plus 1 times u over u minus 1 equal to 2. Now we have to simplify this bracket. U square minus u plus u square plus u. We will write 2u square in the numerator. In denominator, there is u plus 1 times u minus 1. Using difference of two squares identity, we can write u square minus 1. Then we have whole square minus 2 times u, 2u square over u plus 1 times u minus 1. We will write u square minus 1 equal to 2 or minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in 2u square over u square minus 1. So let us assume 2u square over u square minus 1. Suppose this is equal to m. So our equation will become quadratic in m. M square minus m minus 2 equal to 0. Remember, m is 2u square over u square minus 1, where u is 2x minus 25. Now we have to factor this quadratic equation, which we can factor and write m plus 1 times m minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get either m plus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 2 equal to 0. From here we will get m equal to negative 1, and from here we will get m equal to 2. Now m is 2u square over u square minus 1. Let's put, we'll write 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to minus 1, and 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to 2. Let's cross multiply. We will get 2u square equal to minus 1 times u square minus 1, which will be 1 minus u square. Now we will add u square to both sides. So plus u square minus u square will get over. In LHS we will get 3u square equal to 1. Now we have to divide both sides by 3. 3 over 3 will get 1. So u square is equal to 1 over 3. After taking a square root both sides, we will get u equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we have to solve second equation. Let's cross multiply. We will get 2u square is equal to 2 times u square minus 1, which will be 2u square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2u square from both the sides. So we will get 0 equal to minus 2, which is not correct. In real mathematics, this is not true. So we are going to reject this equation. This cannot be true. So the accepted u would be plus minus 1 over square root 3. Let me write here u equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we can rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator by square root 3, which will become plus minus square root 3 over 3. This is equal to u. Now u is our substitution, 2x minus 25. So we can write here 2x minus 25 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now we'll add 25 to both sides. Now we can cancel plus and minus 25 from LHS, and we'll write 2x equal to 25 plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now we can take LCM. In right hand side we will get 75 plus minus square root 3 over 3. This will be equal to 2x. Now we have to only divide by 2 both sides to get our final real solutions. So let me write here 75 plus minus square root 3 over 3 equal to 2x. Let's divide both sides by 2. So we will multiply our denominator by 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. We are going to get x equal to 75 plus minus square root 3 over 6. So here we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.